What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews. Right here in front of us, we have the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and this is from the company Ringke. This is a cover display tempered glass protector for the Flip 4. Let's talk about it. All right, so this device actually is gonna run you probably about $1,000, depending on if you traded anything in for it. Now, it does have a glass cover display right up front, and you may have a case on it, you may not have a case on it, and you may want to just keep your things secure, right? So Ringke actually has these cover display tempered glass screen protectors. Now, this is an actual 3-pack. So let's see if we can get this open, get one installed, and just see how it looks. So once you open it up, you do get some cleaning wipes. You get a terry cloth, and I'm gonna take this terry cloth right now and just sit the phone on top of it. You do get the actual protectors, and this is what they look like. It's just a little piece of glass right here, and you get 3 of those. Like I said earlier, that is a 3-pack. You get applicator stickers, you get a squeegee, and you get your instructions and everything else down in here. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna get everything we need together first, and then I'll be back to talk about the whole installation process of this. All right, so for this installation, we're going to need the screen wipes that we have right here. You are going to actually need the glass piece that we got right here. Some of these guides. You got your squeegee, and you need a microfiber cloth. First thing I'm gonna do is just kind of wipe that down, clean it off with the alcohol wipe. And this is a huge alcohol wipe for this, so like, look at that. That is huge. That is like the size of the phone, covers it up. All right, so we're just gonna wipe that down real nice. This is a quick drying alcohol wipe. Next, I'm gonna do that right behind it with the microfiber cloth. Once you get that done, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these applicators off just like so. What you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that the back is laying down on here. You're going to place this slamp in the middle, just like so. Press it down. Next, you're gonna wanna take this and you're gonna peel the back sticker off of here. Once you peel the back sticker off, you are now going to hold by these little ends, and you are going to lay this on the glass just like so, right over the numbers. And there we go. It's going to go ahead and start kind of adhering on its own. And once you got it on there, take your squeegee, get the little air bubbles out, hold it down, pull that piece off, get any excess air bubbles trapped along those little sides and edges. And there you go. You got a nice screen protector for that cover on your Z Fold 4. So very simple, very minimalistic protection, but it's also a very minimalistic installation, like really easy. They give you step-by-step guides in here. Just read through them, or you can watch this video, but that is pretty much it. So it's going to protect that little cover screen that you have right up front, and it's going to give you a little peace of mind. Just in case you hit something with that, it doesn't break the screen, it breaks that tempered glass. And like I said, you're going to get 2 more of these, so I would suggest just putting them back in the box, keeping them put up somewhere just in case that piece does crack. And also keep this little squeegee. And you do get extra little tape applicators, which I think I might have messed them up. There we go. You get extra of these. So it's 4 total, just in case you mess one up. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. This is the Ringke cover display tempered glass screen protector for the Z Flip 4. Go by and check it out. It'll be a link below. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.